In this video I'll show you the value of Russian money. What is it like to spend 10 pounds here? 10 pounds in Russia will be 1000 rubles, so what you can get for this amount of money here. And this is not Moscow, this is the provincial town of Russia. I just had a ride on a bus and it cost me 28 Russian rubles, which is 28 pence. Pretty much cheap if you have an English salary.
Rubles, and now I'm in a cafe and I ordered the first thing, the black Americano. It costs 70 rubles or about $1, so I have $9 to spend. Sitting here in this cafe, I had 3 cups of coffee and I spent 180 rubles, which is about $3, so I have $7 more to go.
It's time to go home and now I'm waiting for a bus and it's gonna cost me another portion of money. I got my ticket, 22 Russian rubles, which is about 30 cents. My transportation is sorted on my way back home. The public transport in Russia is actually quite cheap, it's only 30 cents. I'm in the shop now and I need to get 3 items: bread, cookies and lemonade. The bread in a Russian shop is 30 pence. And then we can get the oat cookies, which cost 70 cents. Here is the lemonade. I want to go with Mirinda, which costs 70 pence. I just got 3 items of daily living things and it cost me $2 or 150 British pounds. And now I have... I know how much I have to spend. 800, 160, 700, 650 rubles, which is about $5. I spent less than a half of the allocated sum and I have the whole day tomorrow to spend it. See you then. Second day of the spending experiment. Now I think I'm gonna spend all the money which are left. It's about $5. What I need to get is some fruit. Let's go and check out what are the prices of fruits in Russian shops. So apples 140 a kilo. The grapes is 170 a kilo. I overspend and I spent 15 pounds for lots of fruit, and just to conclude, it's much cheaper here in Russia than in the United Kingdom, but I have to consider that here in Russia the salary are cheaper too, they are lower. And I'm gonna do juicing out of this fruit and I film a different vlog about this juicing, so follow me, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment what you would like to see in the next video. Bye!